Hello everyone, guys, it's Daniel here from PaintAccess, and today we're going to compare SealNPeel, which is liquid masking tape, someone call it, just with a simple and ordinary pre-tape masking. Let's go. Okay, so if you have a project, DIY or trade, if you have a set of French windows, you definitely have few options how to paint. You can just paint simply, cutting in. But imagine that you need to do 3 coats. It will be so time consuming, especially if it's a new window. So here you have a couple of solutions, and we just need to demonstrate. We're going to apply one window as we just did here with the paper, and one with the plastic. Let's just do first with plastic, and then by your judgment we'll decide what's actually better. Let's do it. So I'll probably do this panel. Okay, so I'll just do very precisely, so paint won't stick anything. Look, we're gonna cut the ends. Okay, just really carefully. We just need a little bit space for the masking tape. Same thing on the bottom. Same thing here. See how it's electrostatic? It's actually sticks by itself. We're going to use this taper. If it's a little bit longer, that's absolutely fine, because we're going to cut it. See how it's nicely straight. Okay, then we're going to do right on the bottom. Obviously, I'm not doing this every day. Some people they will do it quicker, more precisely, but it will give you an idea for sure, 100%. And a little bit on the side. Okay, so it's all protected. We just need to get knife and cut some areas out to give us 100% surface for it that we can paint, especially here as well. Here it seems pretty cool. A little bit here in the corner. Yeah, and as you can see, this window pretty much ready for paint with a brush or sprayer. The next section we're gonna do with double-sider, and it's gonna be here. We're going to apply paper. Again, as I mentioned, we can cut a little bit longer pieces. We're going to cut with a knife. Cool. Very cool. I love it. But it's all up to you guys. You're going to judge what is the quickest and easiest way after we done all this. Okay, so now we have one piece of paper. Second piece of paper. Thank you for double-sided. I see how it's. And now we need to do another run of masking tape just to get paper together. Yeah, pretty cool. Got to cut a little bit out. Nice. Okay, ready to paint. And third product, it's a very trendy. Now I can see that everyone kind of really discussing this product online, and we're going to demonstrate right in a second. It is a SealNPeel. Make sure you shake it well, 100%. Then when you open Sorry, I'm using a screwdriver, but yeah, it's a few different options. It smells like PVA and it's completely white, but when it's dry, it actually will go clear. We've applied this seal and peel here and it's already dry. Okay. So it's a few options how you can apply, but I'm going to use tray, baby roller and brush. Don't forget to use stirrer. I'm just using Fitch. Make sure, because yeah, sometimes glue sits really deeply. Okay, we'll just put a little bit in a tray, like this. Nice and easy. That's what we need. And I'll probably use 4 liter as I can. So we're going to use on this window. So I'm gonna quickly cut in. Guys, and you just count. You're going to watch this video and tell, hey, look, yes, peel and seal, it's a really great stuff, or I like plastic, or like paper. So it's kind of you know, you're determined what would be the best way. And you know, when this seal and peel actually hits on the frame, I'll show you, it's very easy to remove. Manufacturer saying that's no problem if it's a bare timber, it's no problem to penetrate into the timber if it's new. In our case, it's not new, so it's not penetrating because it's painted. And now we're going to use roller right in the middle. Look, I find this is very quick and easy, but the problem is with the seal and peel. I mean, it's not a problem. You have to apply twice to get very good result. And have a look. See, yesterday I put a little bit of seal and peel, and I'll just demonstrate. It's very easy to take it out from a window. See, like if you accidentally got it. And what I want to show you here, I've applied 2 times. You still need to cut. You just have to go with a knife really carefully. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. And then really carefully you have to peel it away. Probably didn't cut properly. Yep. So see how easily I'm taking it from a window. Probably I'm rushing a little bit, but yep. So you see, like when I cut it properly, it's very easy to peel it off, and it's like skin. And off you go. It's easy and clean. I think it's a very cool solution. In my opinion, it will probably outperform all these traditional ways soon, but it's your really preference, it's your choice. Yeah, just we've decided to make this video to find you really decide if you want to go paper, plastic, or seal and peel. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, please follow, and let us know if you need more educational or just comparing videos. Cheers, guys.